Alright guys, how's it going? Today I'll be analyzing how the creator of It Follows uses details to create feelings. And I'll be analyzing the parking scene. Alright, as we starts off with the setting being in a dark, abandoned building, which sets off a scary mood of mystery. We see that the girl is strapped in a wheelchair helplessly, and this creates a sense of firmness situation. Lets us know that it's a very serious situation. They use high-pitched wind sounds in the background to add emphasis on intention. The use of light creates some sort of mystery. There's many shadows that are portrayed, which confuses the human eye a little. What these shadows do is it lets us, it lets the human eye be tricked. We don't know if something's going to come around the corner just as yet. Creates tension. As you can see, he's walking around looking curious. That lets the reader know whatever he's looking for, he does not know when or where or how it will come or appear. As you can see, she's stuck in a wheelchair, she's fidgeting her hands as they are stuck. She's helpless. This shows helplessness. The guy in the background wanted her to feel helpless to prove to her she is stuck in this curse and she's helpless unless she passes the curse on. The guy in the background keeps walking around as if he is nervous and is trying to find something. This represents the scurry of this scenario where he's trying to hurry so he can get out. As a viewers, this makes us question, what is he looking for? Creates mystery again. Alright. As you can see, she's making these weird faces. She's looking around. She wants to get out. She's confused. She's lost. If we see the guy running in the background, and then he suddenly stops and shines his flashlight, this lets us know that he sees something. That whatever it is, it's coming. And then she starts looking back, and she's looking back in fear. She doesn't know what's going on. As watching this, if she does not know what's going on, we're not fully capable of knowing what's going on. We're lost. Keeps the tension going.